ray observations using angles and distances. In any ray observation, when you're working with angles, there must be instrument station and there must be back-sighted station. This means that you must have coordinates of two starting points. The first one is the coordinate of the back station and the second one is the coordinate of the instrument station. Enter your data in the format of station, easting, northings. That is for the back point. For the instrument station, enter the point name for the occupied station, easting, northing coordinates. Then the very first point you observe, remember these are angles in degrees, minutes, seconds, distance. These are observed angles, and in ray there is no arrangement of which point comes first. You can ray any point at any time. You can type in any point rayed before any one. The arrangement does not matter. At this point, these are the rayed observations. These are angles and distance in the format of degrees, minutes, seconds, distance. So all these 4 points are fixed from this instrument station. During change points, file means that you have a change point, and P1 is the back point. And this file means that this P1 has been fixed earlier. The point P1 has been observed or computed earlier, which you can see here. Then when computer encounters file, computer will go back and fetch the process coordinates of this point, insert it here and continue. That's for the back station. For the instrument station also, this means that the observer sits at point 2 and back to P1, and file means that the coordinates of this point 2 has been processed earlier. You are telling computer system to go and fetch the process coordinates of this point 2. Computer will now go back, get the coordinates of this point 2 and continue. And from this point 2, these other points were rayed, were fixed with ray method in the format of degrees, minutes, seconds, distance. There are angles and distances. After these 3 points, the observer moved to instrument point 4, and this point 4 has been processed earlier. That is why you see file. And when computer sees file, computer will now go back and fetch for the processed coordinate of this P4. When computer sees it, computer will get the coordinates, insert it here and continue. This is the back point and this is the instrument station. Then from there, these other 4 points were fixed. Remember, the data file format is in the format of degrees, minutes, seconds, distance. Then these are all observed angles. So you can type in more instrument stations. If you have only one occupied station, good. Then you are good to go. You can process this. Then if you have a number of occupied stations, many occupied stations, you can type in all of them at the same time. Then whether saved or not, click on process data. Now we are using ray, angle and distance. The job is plotted, is computed. These are the processed coordinates. So whenever you perform computations, and that has to do with angle and distance with SurveySoft, SurveySoft will drop process coordinates for you in a new workpad. This is the processed computation sheet. Instrument station, back station. Then these other points were fixed. Then new instrument station, backstation. These are target points for all the occupied instrument stations. You can also plot this in AutoCAD. Start a new plotting window. Always start with a new plotting window. From Tools menu, select Run Script. Highlight the Traverse script file and click Open. Choose any font of your choice. Apply, close. You can remove the frame. These are processed points. These are the processed observations. From P4, points we have read or fixed, just like that. If you want the job to fit into the frame, you know what to do. You quickly go to SurveySoft, choose the desired scale, you recompute, and go back to AutoCAD and plot again.